Is your Nikon D5600 acting a little unusual? Let's bring it back to its pristine factory settings. First, power on your Nikon D5600. Navigate to the main menu using the directional pad or the touchscreen. You'll want to find the setup menu, which is usually represented by a wrench icon. Once you're in the setup menu, scroll down until you see an option like Reset All or simply Reset. This is the key to returning your camera to its original state. Select this option, and you'll likely be presented with a confirmation screen. This is your last chance to back out, so make sure this is what you want to do. It will clearly state that all settings will be returned to their factory defaults. To proceed, highlight Yes or OK and press the OK button. The camera will then begin the reset process, which usually only takes a few seconds. You'll see a message indicating the reset is in progress. Once completed, your Nikon D5600 will display its original startup screen, as if it were brand new out of the box. This is incredibly useful for resolving any configuration glitches, unexpected behaviors, or simply if you want to start fresh with your camera's settings. All custom tweaks, white balance settings, focus adjustments, and even menu layouts will be reverted to their original factory defaults. Remember, this process will only reset the camera's internal settings. It will not delete any photos or videos you've already saved on your memory card. So go ahead and give your D5600 a clean slate.